ENGR. The Supreme Court affirming the election of Governor SYMFONI of Rivers State has brought to an end the 2023 governorship election. It is therefore the responsibility of all citizens of Rivers State to pledge their support for the governor of the state to enable him to succeed. Respect for the office of the governor is mandatory, irrespective of the occupant. Anyone disrespecting the office of the governor is insulting the people of the state, which will face severe consequences. My appeal to the insatiable man is that enough is enough. No one man will be allowed henceforth to continue to use Rivers State as a collateral for his selfish and endless pursuit for money and power. Governor SYMFONI is the will of God for the governance of Rivers State at this time. Everybody should respect Governor SYMFONI and pledge all their support and continue to give him maximum support for him to succeed. We need peace in the state, and my appeal to Governor Fubara is that he should pursue genuine reconciliation. There has been a storm. After the storm, a lot of people were blown to the north, some to the south, some to the west, and to the east. He is now his duty as a man of God, the man whose will, the man who is carrying the will of God right now to be governor of Rivers State, to pursue genuine reconciliation, to bring everybody on board so that we can now know the peace that have eluded the state in the past few months. Everybody needs to be carried along. And the only way the governor can do that is to effectively reconcile everybody so that he have a peaceful River State. It's a situation where people do not, want to be patriotic. You cannot use the State House of Assembly as a bet to threaten the governor. It is not correct. Members of the State House of Assembly were elected by their constituencies, who saw them as responsible and true citizens of River State who will go to their House of Assembly to make law for the common good of the people, rather than being used as a tool to blackmail the governor to unconstitutionalities. So I believe the courts are there to deal with that matter, and I'm very sure conclusions on that matter will be reached by the court very soon.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.